Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a subject that's all about our amazing world and, all the people who make it so interesting. Cambridge Primary Humanities.
So, let me ask you a question. Are you ready to become an explorer? Because that's what this is all about, a journey designed to spark a curiosity about the world around you that'll last a lifetime. Let's get this adventure started.
Okay, so our adventure begins with figuring out what this subject is all about. Think of this as the very beginning of a grand quest, a mission to discover the wonders of our world.
At its heart, Cambridge Primary Humanities is basically your guide to becoming a curious, smart, and caring global citizen. And it's not just about memorizing facts and dates, not at all. It's really about understanding the world and finding your unique place in it.
So what's this journey actually going to look like? Well, you'll get to travel through time, exploring the past, and seeing how it connects to the present. You're going to learn how to ask those really big, important questions and start piecing together the giant puzzle of our super diverse world. The end goal here? It's to help you become a confident global citizen who can actually make a real difference. Pretty cool, right? All right, let's take a look at the first part of our Explorer's Map. We're calling it the People Strand. This section is all about getting to know ourselves, our friends, and the communities that we're all a part of. In the People Strand, you'll dive deep into things like identity, what makes a community, and all the different societies out there. It's kind of like being a sociologist, learning what connects us all, and also what makes each community totally unique. And check this out, you can really see how your skills are going to grow over time. So in the early stages, you'll learn to describe what a community even is. But later on, you'll dig way deeper to analyze the things communities share and all the benefits of being part of one. You'll go from simply describing something to truly analyzing it.
Next up on our map, we're taking a journey into the past strand. So go ahead and get your detective hats on, because in this part, we become history investigators, uncovering incredible stories from long, long ago.
Yeah, this strand is all about time travel. You'll get to explore how the world has changed, figure out why there can be different versions of the past, and see how learning about history actually helps us make better decisions for the future.
And your progress as a historian is just as exciting. You'll start by, say, describing a major invention from the past. But then you'll level up to explaining its ripple effect, how that one invention caused huge changes in society. The key is moving from just knowing what happened to really understanding why it mattered so much.
Okay, for the final part of our curriculum map, we have the Places Strand. This is where we put on our geographer's boots and go out and explore all the incredible spaces and environments around us.
The Places Strand is basically your ticket to explore the world, starting with your own neighborhood and going all the way to countries on the other side of the planet. You'll learn about mountains and rivers, different environments, and how people interact with the places they call home.
And you guessed it, a clear progression happens here too. You'll start by looking right outside your door, giving examples of jobs in your local area. Then, your perspective zooms way out, and you'll learn to describe the entire employment structure of your whole country. It's a fantastic way to connect what you see every day to the bigger picture.
So, we've covered what you'll explore, people, the past, and places. But how will you do it? Let's open up the Explorer's Toolkit and take a look at the secret method behind this whole learning adventure.
The key to everything is something called the Enquiry Approach, and it's such a powerful way to learn. Instead of just being handed a bunch of facts, you actually get to be a detective. You start with a big question, and then you lead your own investigation to find the answers.
This whole process is super simple, but it's incredibly effective. First, you ask a really good, challenging question. Then, you investigate it. You gather clues and information. This is what leads you to develop a really, really deep understanding of the topic. And finally, you get to tell the story of what you discovered. It turns learning into an active, exciting mission.
And where does all this lead? Well, the ultimate goal is right here, becoming an informed, engaged, and empathetic member of your community. It's about so much more than just grades. It's about becoming a person who truly understands the world, who participates in it, and who genuinely cares about other people.
So, with the tools of a detective and the heart of an explorer, you are absolutely ready. Your journey to understanding our incredible world, well, it starts right here. Fundoo Tutor is a personalized learning platform that helps students succeed in Cambridge, IB, and other international curriculums with expert mentorship, structured learning support, and engaging resources.